Welcome to our step-by-step guide on how to delete your Google search history. Whether you're concerned about privacy or just want to declutter your account, following these simple steps will help you remove your search history. Let's get started. Step 1. Open Google My Activity. Open your preferred browser and go to Google My Activity. Make sure you are logged in with the Google account you want to manage. Step 2. Navigate to search history. On the left sidebar, click on Activity Controls. Scroll down to the section titled Web and App Activity. Under the Web and App Activity section, click on Manage Activity. This will take you to a detailed view of your search history. Step 3. Delete specific search history. To remove specific searches, you can scroll through the list or use the search bar to find the items you want to delete. Once you locate the search entry, click the three dots, More Options, next to it. Select Delete to remove that specific search history item. Step 4. Delete all search history. If you want to delete all your search history, in the Manage Activity section, click on the three dots, menu icon, in the top right corner. Select Delete Activity By. Choose the time range, all time to clear everything, or select a custom date range. Click on Delete to confirm the action. Step 5. Turn off search history, optional. If you want to stop Google from saving your search history in the future, go back to the Web and App Activity section in your activity controls. Toggle off the option Web and App Activity. This will prevent Google from saving any future searches and activity. Conclusion. By following these steps, you can easily manage and delete your Google search history to ensure better privacy and control over your data. Remember, clearing your history can help protect your personal information and reduce the chances of unwanted recommendations. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks on managing your digital footprint.